Hey guys, it's Braincore. Welcome back to another vlog, and today it's a chill day, so not much happening. I just gotta go to work in like a second, and yeah. Before I go to work, buy spray of the day, you already know, Whiskey Reserve. Sponsored by Senior Gamer. We're good. One of my coworkers gave me 3 empanadas. That's fire. Oh my goodness, not my order. One sub. Done. Just stocked up the line. Looks pretty nice. It was a little bit busy. A lot of online orders. And it's currently 5:32, so I got like 28 minutes till I clock out. And yeah, probably gonna go to Target after and get some stuff to cook. Alright, clocked out, got an easy shift in, and now I'm gonna head to Target to get some steak. So I'm gonna make some steak and rice tonight. Something a little healthy, you know. Just had a chicken sandwich yesterday, so I gotta make up from yesterday. So yeah, petite sirloin steak. That's crazy. Need some petite sirloin steak. Guys, I'm home and look at my freaking post buzz cut, dude. I actually have hair now. It looks like a spike hair. Looks crazy. Look at me, man. Time to make this chicken. I'm gonna cook this up to medium rare, and yeah, 135, baby. All right, I turned off the heat. I'm getting ready to boil my rice. I'm making, obviously, ground chicken and rice. Here's all my seasonings, kind of the simple seasonings I did with the ground beef. I'm just making ground chicken instead. All right, my chicken's done, my rice is done. Don't mind that, that's not mine. And yeah, now we're just gonna meal prep it. Here we go, this is all my meal prep right here. And here we go, here it is. You know, chicken going in. It's not bad, just tastes like chicken. I don't know. Tastes like chicken and rice. And of course I got some hot sauce to doctor it up. Wow, this is an incredibly short vlog today, you know? Hey, you know, maybe 3-minute court is a thing after all. Either way, thanks so much for watching, guys. If you enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below for video ideas, and best of all, peace. Shut the hell up, man. Okay, anyways, to make the video longer, I decided to put a picture roll of my freaking online orders.